Welcome everybody to my Sea Sparkles Corners kitchen. Again, today, microwave life hack part 2. Well, you go out, you do stuff, and then you're just like, you know what? I want to use this stuff, but here's the brain's problem. You don't bother to pull it out, so what did you do? Well, the first thing you do, you get off the wrapper. You throw your wrapper away. You open up your microwave. Hit it for 6 minutes. Boom, 6 minutes. You have some nice brown meat. That's life hack number 1. And while that's running, because you just opened that up, you're going to have a little bit of juicy juice on your fingers. You rinse the juicy juice off. You've got a split sink here on the life hack. Put that right in the middle. You always have a face cloth handy and ready. And another one. You know what? I got one of these guys. There's a spot you can throw a towel. That way you can always dry your hands off. And in fact, if you get up here and most microwaves got this nice little window here, you can see what's going on right inside the microwave. So I'll see you in about 6 minutes. To be exact, 5 minutes, 3 seconds. All right, there you have it. 6 minutes. I ran it to throw it out. Then I took a spoon. Then I broke it up. Now look at that. All nice and all the way brown. But you know what? Just ground meat is so boring. It's still last Tuesday. Luckily for me, I brought up some of my manwich sauce. Just so you know, I took for the last, when I put it back in for 5 minutes, I put the lid on. So that way I keep the heat more contained. And when you go to check on it, when you go to take the lid off, use a glove. The air in there will be mighty hot if you got a good working microwave. Every microwave is unique, so make sure you get to know your microwave. These times will be effective because of many factors. All of which I don't understand. It has to do with the thing that makes excites the atoms in the microwave, and how good your microwave is working, how old your microwave is working, how new your microwave is. All those boring details. Now understand, I'm doing these life hack microwave recipes like most of our kitchen here. Like most of our kitchen we got here, we don't have most of this stuff in here. So I'm doing it like we've got none of this. So basically, like I don't have a strainer, like I don't have access to this stuff either. So I'm doing it bare minimal, like you're in a little hotel and all you got is just a microwave. That's what I'm doing it like. That's why you notice I didn't strain this, even though we've got 3 strainers. 1 for a spaghetti pot and 2 for actual sink use. Okay, now because pretty much everywhere you got a Walmart or a Target, so you got access to your ingredients pretty good, but depending on how much money you got, you know, it affects that. All right. Boom! Microwave manwich. Yeah. I could scarf these suckers down. Surprise! See Sparkle's Corner! See Sparkle's Corner! You didn't see that coming, did ya? Uh-oh!
Hi. I must admit, I'm quite hungry. Mmm. Delicious.
Okay, next one. Next microwave life hack. We'll need some of that sinful goodness called chocolate. We're gonna need one of these cups. You might want to make sure it's microwave safe. This is the Emperador chocolate. I'm emptying that pack into that cup. Again, I'm going to empty this pack into this cup. I now know whose cup that is. Just evidently with a little bit less chocolate in your chocolate. Alright. Now, for my cup, I'm going to be making mine a little bit extra rich. This one here is a perfect one for Christmas. Okay. We need some, you know what? I'm going to do this super fast water style. Because you don't have filtered water for what this like that for. So, some water in this cup. Now it's water in this cup. Alright. Thanks to an earlier recipe, we've got a few marshmallows.
A few?
Yeah, a few. Like 2. We got 2 marshmallows. 2 marshmallows, yeah. Okay. Now, your microwave might be different sizes. I'm doing 2 because one's for me, one's for my mom. I'm going to go ahead and put my mom's, and I'm going to try to fit mine in there. Okay. Yeah, looks like I fit them both in there. Woo! I got 7 points. 6 minutes because I like my stuff to get hot. Whatever. So now I'm gonna. So I'm gonna enjoy my here manwich. See, after that dings in 6 minutes, and now I can finish. Next microwave life hack. We'll need some of that sinful goodness called chocolate. We're going to need one of these cups. You might want to make sure it's microwave safe. This is the Emperador chocolate. I'm emptying that pack into that cup. Again, I'm going to empty this pack into this cup. I now know whose cup that is. Just evidently with a little bit less chocolate in your chocolate. Alright. Now, for my cup, I'm going to be making mine a little bit extra rich. This one here is a perfect one for Christmas. Okay. We need some, you know what? I'm going to do this super fast water style. Because you don't have filtered water for what this like that for. So, some water in this cup. Now it's water in this cup. Alright. Thanks to an earlier recipe, we've got a few marshmallows.
A few?
Yeah, a few. Like 2. We got 2 marshmallows. 2 marshmallows, yeah. Okay. Now, your microwave might be different size. See, I'm doing two because one's for me, one's for my mom. I'm going to go ahead and put my mom's, and I'm going to try to fit mine in there. Okay. Yeah, looks like I fit them both in there. Woo! I got 7 points. 6 minutes because I like my stuff to get hot. Whatever. So now I'm gonna. So I'm gonna enjoy my here manwich. See, after that dings in 6 minutes, and now I can finish. All right. So they're out, and the marshmallows unexpectedly got all nice and swallowed up. Look at these. This is so cool. I just did that because I was curious what would happen to them. But here's the actual mitten grits right here. What we want. Yeah, check all that nice and melty in there. See, look at this. All right, let's go ahead and make these marshmallows out. If you have like those small little rinky-dink marshmallows which melts real easy, then you know that makes it all the easier. Alright, so look at that. Look how nice and all the chunks got all the liquid and starting to melt up all nice and neat. I'm just gonna get all this nice and mixed up. We're gonna put the final ingredient in. I'm gonna get the chocolate all nice and thoroughly melted up. Now you can do it actually 8 plus 5 or because our microwave won't let you do above like 6, so do like 6 plus 3 or 6 plus 5. See, look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Mmm. It's gonna be so good. All right. Now some powdered, your favorite powdered cocoa mix to give it even more chocolate. Because these are big cups, I'm gonna be generous with it. I'm not using exact measurements because you'll probably, when you do this, you probably have the little teeny tiny hot chocolate packets, which will have right on there how much, you know, water or milk to go with however much powdered. So yeah, this is just a homebrew one, okay? But I did like 3 or 4 spoonfuls of the powder in each cup. Okay, which one gets stirred and mixed up first is the one that's going to do the taste test first. See, Sparkle's getting to do the first taste test because hers got mixed up first. Uh-oh. We're having a microwave life hack party. Woo!
It's good. Tastes like chocolate. I love chocolate milk. And, well, not chocolate milk. I love hot cocoa. Delicious. I didn't think it would be, but it is. It's delicious.
Mine's probably got mixed up. Because mine's richer, it kind of required longer mixing. Just so you know. Yeah, that's the way I like it. A little, all nice and chocolate cocoa with little bits of chocolate in it. You see? Because some of it actually, because of the milk, evaporated milk. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is the good stuff here. And now, the final touch. Boom. Big marshmallow. All right. There you got it. We got here good. We got here the manwich. We got here the hot cocoa. Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this hot cocoa life hack here with the microwave. Leave the description below. Put your comments. I'll read them. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Feel free to share. Feel free to subscribe.